Welcome to Easy Click Income. Have you ever wondered how to make money with Amazon's affiliate program? Well, it's a simple yet powerful tool for anyone looking to earn a passive income. It's all about promoting products from Amazon's vast inventory and earning a commission on every sale that comes through your unique affiliate link. Imagine a world where you can make money while you sleep, or while you're spending time with your loved ones. That's the beauty of passive income, and it's entirely possible with Amazon's affiliate program. This program is perfect for bloggers, influencers, or anyone with a digital platform that reaches an audience. It's also suitable for those who are just starting out and are looking for avenues to monetize their efforts online. The potential for earnings is as vast as Amazon's inventory itself. All you need is the right guidance, the right strategy, and the willingness to put in the effort. If you're interested in learning how to get started, then subscribe and make sure you watch this video till end. Signing up for the affiliate program. First things, you need to sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. So, let's dive right in. The process starts by going to Amazon's homepage. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and you'll find a link that says, Become an Affiliate. Click on that, and it will take you to the Amazon Associates page. This is where you'll start your journey. Click on the Sign Up button and you'll be greeted with a sign up form. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This includes your name, address, and phone number. Next, you'll be asked about your website or app. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can always add it later. What's important is that you describe your website or app's purpose, and how you drive traffic to it. Then, you'll provide your preferred store ID, which will serve as your unique identifier in the program. It's best to choose something that reflects your brand or niche. You'll also need to answer some questions about your website or app, like what kind of products you plan to promote, how you drive traffic, how you usually build links, and how you use Amazon's associate program. Finally, you'll enter your payment and tax information. This is how Amazon will pay you for your hard-earned commissions. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to signing up for Amazon's affiliate program. Once you've successfully signed up, you're ready to start promoting products. Promoting products. Now that you're signed up, it's time to start promoting products. Promoting products is the heart of affiliate marketing. But, it's not just about promoting any product. It's about promoting the right products, the ones that resonate with your audience's interests and needs. So, how do you find these products? Well, Amazon makes it easy for you. It has an extensive product search tool that you can use to find products that align with your content. You can search by categories, keywords, price range, and even by customer ratings. Once you've identified the right products, it's time to generate your affiliate links. These are unique URLs that track the traffic you send to Amazon. When a customer clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Generating these links is pretty straightforward. When you're on a product page, just click on the Get Link button. It will give you a unique URL that you can use in your content. Now, let's talk about best practices for promoting products. First and foremost, always be genuine. If you've used and loved a product, share your personal experience. This adds credibility and helps build trust with your audience. Secondly, provide value. Don't just say buy this product. Explain why it's worth buying. Highlight its features, benefits, and how it solves a problem. Another effective strategy is to create content that's naturally conducive to promoting products. For instance, product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison posts are great for this. They provide valuable information and give you a natural opportunity to incorporate your affiliate links. Finally, don't forget to disclose your affiliate links. It's not just good practice, it's a requirement. Be transparent with your audience. Let them know that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your links. Remember, the key is to choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. With the right approach, promoting products can be an effective way to monetize your content and create a successful affiliate marketing business. Receiving payments. You've signed up, you've promoted products, and now it's time to get paid. Let's dive into how the payment process works with Amazon's affiliate program. What you earn is based on a commission rate that Amazon sets. This commission rate varies by product category, but it typically ranges from 1 to 10%. So, if you promote a product that costs $100 and the commission rate is 5%, you'll earn $5 when someone purchases that product through your affiliate link. Now, when will you see this money? Amazon pays its affiliates approximately 60 days following the end of each calendar month. For example, if you earned commissions in October, you'll receive your payment around the end of December. But there's a catch. you need to reach a minimum payment threshold before you can receive your earnings. For direct deposits, this threshold is just $10. For checks, it's $100. Tracking your earnings is also straightforward. Amazon provides a detailed report of your earnings and clicks in your affiliate dashboard. You can see which products are selling well and which ones aren't, helping you refine your promotion strategy. So, how do you get paid? Amazon offers 3 methods: direct deposit, Amazon gift card, or check. You can select your preferred payment method in your affiliate account settings. With patience and persistence, you can start to see a steady stream of income from your affiliate marketing efforts. Wrap up and call to action. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money with Amazon's affiliate program. Let's quickly recap. We've walked through the process of signing up for Amazon's affiliate program, where you can begin your journey to generating passive income. We've talked about how to promote products effectively, showing you the potential of every item on Amazon's vast marketplace. We've discussed the various platforms you can utilize to promote these products, highlighting the importance of choosing the right platform for your target audience. We also touched on the commission rates Amazon offers, emphasizing that the earning potential is truly in your hands. And lastly, we've covered how you'll receive your well-deserved payments, making sure your efforts translate into tangible rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Happy earning!